Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. One of the most common issues that many face while preparing dosa or idli batter are dosa and idli turning hard, not turning crispy, not fermented well, and many more. And especially if we use millets, then it's more challenging, right? So here is all in one solution where I have shared how we can prepare, store, soak, grind, ferment, and make crispy dosas, make egg dosas or any variety dosas using the same batter. You can also prepare soft and fluffy idlis too. It's a very healthy, nutritiously dense breakfast or dinner recipe. From adult to kids, everyone can have this in their diet. See how soft and fluffy the idli turned? This is a detailed video, so don't skip until end as I've shared how we can prepare and store this multigrain millets along with its grinding process and how we can ferment it better so you get the best crispy dosas and soft idlis and also stays fresh for a week. So do watch the video until end as this recipe is a balanced nutrition of protein, carbs, minerals and iron. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So for preparing millet batter, these are the ingredients we require. A cup of jawar, also known as sorghum, a cup of ragi, that's finger millet, a cup of bajra, that's pearl millet, a cup of white rice or dosa rice, a cup of idli rice, a cup of urad dal, that's black whole gram, and a teaspoon of methi dana, that's fenugreek seeds. So into a bowl, add in all the millets. The measurement is quite simple. It's 1 cup of each. Add in all the millets except the fenugreek seeds and give a mix. Millet mix is ready. Now you can store it in a container and take the desired quantity and it's ready to go. I normally store it in bulk as it saves lot of time and it's easy to grab. Just remember, do not mix methi dana as we're going to add it separately, and why are we adding it, we'll share it soon. So here I have taken 3 glasses of millet mix, add it to a bowl. It will give around 1.5 kg of idli dosa batter. Rinse and wash the millets couple of times until water runs clean. Now soak the millets in enough water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Now add the methi dana, that's fenugreek seeds. Adding this will give a nice crispiness to dosas and it's good for digestion too. Now allow to soak the millets. Once it's well soaked, we're going to grind it. So here I'm using my wet grinder to grind these millets. You may also use mixies if you like. So drain the water and add in the soaked millets. Do not add it along with water. We may add water gradually in small quantity as it's grinding. Adding water all in once will make the batter too runny and we won't get the consistency we are looking for. So gradually add it. So these are the basic beginner tips for all those who are using wet grinder or any grinder for the first time. Add water as required. Here in all I added around 2 small glasses of water throughout the grinding process. Keep scraping the edges and grind it until it turns smooth and fluffy. Millets are considered superfood as they are high in dietary fiber, protein, iron, minerals and vitamins. Moreover, they are gluten-free nature, presence of antioxidants make them ideal food if you are diabetic, having digestion issue or in a weight management journey. Keep scraping the edges. You may add little water if required. The batter shouldn't be too thick or thin. As you can see here, this is the consistency we require. It's soft, airy and smooth. So millet batter is ready. Transfer it to a bowl. So our multigrain millet batter is ready. Now we're going to proceed in fermentation. For this, I'm going to add required salt to it. Now to get good fermentation, firstly the batter needs to be smooth and fluffy. Secondly, using clean hand, mix the whole batter for around 3 to 5 minutes. Mixing with hands make the batter more airy and helps in good fermentation. So do not skip this step. It's mixed very well now. Now ensure to keep it in a warm environment. So keep it in a place where it's warm. So cover it and allow it to ferment for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. I kept it overnight for fermentation. Let's check. See how well it's fermented. See how it looks. It's super light, fluffy and perfect. This is how you get crispy dosas and idlis if your batter is fermented well. A good fermentation will result in best idlis and dosas. So do try and I'm sure you'll be happy with the result. Now I'm going to use the same batter to make idlis and dosas. So transferring desired quantity into a bowl to prepare idlis. Rest will use to make dosas. Now why I'm doing this is because dosas have a little flowing consistency. So I'm going to add little water and give a mix. And you can see this is the consistency required for dosa. Dosa batter is ready now. Now with this batter you can prepare dosas as you like. You can make crispy dosas, set dosas, uttappa using the same batter. Just drizzle some desi ghee and you can see how crispy it turned. Isn't this very simple? And also very healthy too. Now with the same dosas, I'm preparing egg dosa for my son as he loves it. Just break one egg, spread it all over. Drizzle some desi ghee. And you see, egg dosa is also ready. It's a filling recipe. You can have it as breakfast, carry for lunch or have as a dinner. Now with this we proceed with making idlis. So for preparing idlis, I'm going to simply grease the idli plates with a drop of oil and then pour in the batter. Now steam the idlis for 8 to 10 minutes. The flame needs to be on medium. Now let's check. You can see it's cooked well. Just check it with a fork or knife. It should come clear. Now remove the plate and allow it to sit for a minute or two. Then you can start removing the idlis. See how soft and smooth the idlis have turned? So making crispy dosa and idli using the same millet batter is very easy, right? So do follow the steps as shown in this video and I'm sure you'll be able to successfully make millet dosas and idlis at home. See how soft and smooth the idlis have turned? Look at the texture. See how smooth, soft and fluffy it is? Enjoy it with your favorite chutney and sauce and I'm sure you will love it. Hope you like this video, then do stay connected with Nisha Thaju with many more healthy and useful videos coming up. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum. Stay healthy and happy always. Bye bye.